Hey food lovers, welcome back to the channel. If you're all about saving time, money, and reducing food waste, you're going to love today's review. We're diving into what might just be the best vacuum sealer for food you can get your hands on, the LKKNC 6-in-1 Vacuum Sealer. Whether you're meal prepping, storing leftovers, or buying in bulk, this compact machine will change your kitchen routine forever. You will find the link to the product in the description, and please subscribe to the channel for more awesome kitchen gear reviews.
If you like the product, you will find the product link in the description and comment section.
Thanks for watching. If this vacuum sealer looks like the perfect fit for your kitchen, you will find the link to the product in the description. And don't forget, please subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews, tips, and tools to upgrade your home life. Smash that like button if this helped, and drop a comment below with what you'd like us to review next. Until next time, stay fresh, stay smart, and happy sealing.